Good day, sir. I'm Kayla Sandrino, that discussing the topic of workshop layout for the fishing gear repair and maintenance, NC3. Before I start, let me present to you my workshop layout for my assigned topic about fishing gear. And I will explain how to connect the core competency of fishing gear and maintenance and the principle of competencies-based training. First of all, my layout reflect to the principle of competencies-based training because it is designed to help trainee through learning by doing theory. And also, the trainees must master the skills by this every area on how their skills um, being competent in step by step. As you can see, my layout is it start with the learning resources. The learning resources is this is a space area on how does trainers conduct a discussion or conduct a study on how the trainees must have a knowledge, and also the trainees resources and computer laboratory. It conducted a module on how the trainees must have a self-paced learning. And also, the distance learning is a formal education with student and instructor is not in the same place. But the trainees must have a to um, opportunity to gaining information or knowledge through video and also an audio. Let's go now to the contextual learning laboratory. The contextual learning, it is focused on the conducting a small-scale demonstration of a trainees or a practices before ongoing the work area, which is the practical area. And the practical area is the main area that trainees must have a skills that can be demonstrated in this area, that conducted a hands-on activities that hands-on activities na kinakailangan. In fishing maintenance, ang kinakandak in practical is yung mga net mending and also yung mga knotting and also the slicing. And also, the storage room. The storage room is included the tools and equipments and also the materials. The materials is a the tools rather. The tools have a knife, scissor, or so far and so on. And also the equipments, trainees must have a PPE, especially when you entered in a facilities. And also the institutional assessment area. This institutional assessment area, the trainers must evaluate or to observe their competencies by approving the TESDA. And the unit of competency in the core competency, first, we have a supervised unloading and loading of net. Second is evaluate net mending and administer and monitoring the net mending. This layout, each part of my layout rather, is supported by every area because if one of my CVT principles na hindi sinunod or nilagay is maaring hindi maging progressive ang flow ng kada area o mas maging hindi effective, especially to the trainees. In every area, which are all important in ensuring the student to become truly competent in their skills. Let's come now to the safety and hygiene. And the safety and hygiene, we have a first aid and also the waste segregation that plays in this area. And this is the topic of my workshop. And thank you.